He who talks about the future is a liar. Some philosophers cramped the above words in our eardrums. Notwithstanding the above, we attempted to gaze into the future, and thus came freedom, the nano version. We are grateful to the planets and the revealed science called Jyotish, which helped us gain this insight. We believe this insight could help humans prepare themselves and reduce the collateral damage which comes as a gift with pandemics. Most people like to watch small movies, hence the nano version. In case you wish to see the main 40 minutes movie with heavy astrological studies, romantic poetries, awesome musics, then go and watch Freedom, New Beginnings. Once this pandemic is over, we believe the world will once again inhale deep and free. Our planet Earth will be a great place to live in, and we wish to be a part of the majestic celebration called life. India will catapult into an eximious future where it truly belongs as a spiritual guru for all countries. India will shine like the rising sun under the guidance of our blessed visionary Prime Minister, our dear Narendra Modi ji. Now that we know the spirit of the movie, let's discuss the cast. This movie, Freedom, is special. The cast of this movie is also special, and you, the witness to this movie, are very, very special. In this movie, we have the real planets as the stars in the lead roles, and humans have been relegated to playing second fiddle, locked in the confines of their homes. Now that we have concluded with the introduction of the caste of freedom, we shall be moving on to describing the most traumatizing and horrific pandemics which are etched in the DNA of humans and in the historic annals of WHO. We have made an attempt to unravel the cosmic correlation between planetary wars and their roles in the various pandemics which have afflicted humans on Earth. Niente accade per caso. Nothing in this universe happens by chance. This revealed occult science, called astrology, is the bedrock of the above philosophy.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. Wonder this time where she's gone. If she's gonna stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This I'll say ain't no more. Anytime she goes away. And I know, 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 no, I know. Sunshine when she's gone. No sunshine when she's
Now we shall be explaining in detail the sequence of events which ensured the beginning and end of COVID-19 pandemic. Kindly listen to the sequence very carefully and observe the image of the Kundli. Exactly on 12th September 2019, Rahu went into its own nakshatra of Ardra. Condition number 1 of the thesis was complied with. Condition number 2 mandates the presence of Pluto in its exalted sign. Pluto was in Capricorn. Hence, condition number 2 of the thesis was complied with. Condition number 3 Surya Grahana or solar eclipse happened in the zodiac of Sagittarius on date 26 December 2019, which ensured that the virus was born from the womb of Rahu Ketu and Pluto. Condition number 3 complied with. Manifestation of the virus as a pandemic with full intensity erupted on 24th Feb 2020. Condition number 4 was complied due to the curse of Kalsarpa. The pandemic was slowing down on date 29th May 2020 when Kalsarpa dosha ended. Condition number 5. Jupiter was in Ketu's nakshatra of Mula known as the Chandal, and finally had an aspect Yuti with Saturn on date December 21st 2020. Condition number 5 complied with. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the last and the most important climax of the movie, Freedom, the answer to the trillion-dollar question. When will COVID-19, coronavirus, disappear? The final main secret of the movie, Freedom. When will the COVID-19 end? The virus cannot end in one single shot. It will go in phases. Phase 1, 29 May 2020. On 21st May, Rahu leaves its own nakshatra, Ardra, and enters Mrigashira, the pada of which is owned by Scorpio. The deity symbolizes Soma or nectar. The inference derived is that the Soma or medicines is being churned out somewhere on planet Earth. But it may not work until 29th May, which is the day when Kalsarpa ends. This negative pada of Scorpio ends around August mid. At the time, both Saturn and Jupiter are in retrograde, geocentric perspective, and going back to finish unfinished business. So many rebellious activities will prevail around the world, and in our understanding, despite Rahu moving to Mrigashira, the Soma will be invented. But the negative effect of Gandamula will prevail until 24th September, until Rahu changes Rashi and enters into the favorable pada of Mrigashira Nakshatra in Rahu's exalted sign of Taurus. Phase 2. Important date is 29 June 2020. Pluto leaves its exalted position in Makara, Capricorn, and retrogrades back to Dhanu Rashi, Sagittarius. And at same time, retrograde Jupiter enters Sagittarius to finish unfinished business once and for all. Some things have to be sacrificed, destroyed for ushering change, destruction of that which holds no significant enrichments in our essence. All positions are based on sidereal Vedic astrology, not tropical Western astrology. Final date 24th September 2020. Rahu and Ketu changes Rashi. Rahu is in exalted Taurus and Ketu is in exalted Scorpio. These comes with blessings for few and curses for few. Jupiter goes direct 10 days before, and in a week's time even Saturn goes direct on 29th September. Definite major relief will be observed on phase 2 and phase 3.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try.